Now let us discuss another problem. This is a 16th problem. So here it is based on the Kirchhoff's current law. The total incoming current is equal to outgoing current. So you can see here the incoming current is minus 1 volt to this node. So it is minus 1 plus 2 is 1 amps. Likewise here minus 1 plus 3 is 2. So I have to write 2 here. So then here also I can write it as 6 amps. So not to get 6 amps, I have to make this I as 1, right? So the I value is 1 here. And so this is what they have to find. So let us discuss the second problem. So you can see here both 2 and 2 are in same, and in the center also you have 2. So I'm going to connect this 2 and 2 in series. Likewise 3 and 3 in series. And likewise, I'm going to connect 6 and 6 in series. Okay. So, and I'm going to connect the voltages and I need to find the current that is flowing to just 1. So, the total resistance is 4. This is 6. And this one is 1. So what is the formula to find the parallel resistance? 1 divided by R is equal to 1 divided by 1 divided by R is equal to 1 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 6 plus 1 divided by 2. So taking LCM and solving in the problem, we get 1 by R is equal to 3 divided by 12 plus 1 divided by 4, that is equal to 1 divided by 2. So my R value is 2. So I'm going to connect. So instead of 3 resistance, I'm going to connect 1 resistance. So I is equal to 6 divided by 2, that is 3 amps. So second problem, you can see the current in the circuit. I need to find L is given as 5 V-Henry, and they are asked to find the voltage waveform across the inductor. So V is equal to L dA by dt. So L is 5 maybe, and if you want to find the dA is nothing but minus 18, right? And minus 18 divided by 6, divided by 6, you will get minus 15. So there's some mistake. So you change it to this one. Okay. So V is equal to L dI by dt. So dA value is minus 18 and dt value is 6. In other words, I can write I is equal to minus C. If I substitute 6 minus C, I get minus 18. So I is equal to minus 3t. So what is dA by dt? It was minus C. Okay, so you get answer as minus C into 5 millihenry. It is minus 15. Okay, next in order to find from 6 to 8, I am going to write this equation. Y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x divided by x2 minus x1. And then I have taken the values for x, here x is t and y is I. And y1 here is minus 18. So therefore I plus 18 divided by 18 is equal to t minus 8 minus 8, right? T minus 6 divided by 8 minus. So on solving, you get 8 plus 18 into 2 equal to 18 into t minus 6. So 2i plus 36 is equal to 18t minus 18 plus 6 is 18 into 6. Okay. So I is equal to 90 minus 54 minus 80. So I is equal to 90 minus 70. So if we differentiate, you will get dA by dt is equal to 9. So the answer here is 45. If you multiply with L. So my signal will look like this. So it will be looking like from 0 to 6 and from 8 to 6 to 8 it is looking like this. So this is my answer. These are the tangent of T. Next, a nonlinear capacitor is characterized as Q of T is equal to this one, and if the voltage V of T is equal to 2T, which is applied across the capacitor, what will be the current through the capacitor at T is equal to 1 second? You know where pi is equal to dq by dt, so I'm going to substitute that value, so which is given on the question. So if I differentiate with respect to T, I'll get V of T is equal to 2T, so I'm going to substitute the value. After that, I'm going to differentiate. So I'll get 2 equals 100 to 3 into 8 into 3 T square. If I substitute T is equal to 1, I'll get 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. So this 10 second, say 10 milliamps in 10 watts. Find the resistance across R, A, RAD. Okay. So if I draw this is your A and this is your B. So between A to D, okay. Between A to D, I have 2 ohm resistance, right? A to D, I have 2 ohm resistance, and A starts from 1 ohm resistance and it goes to C. Then from C, it goes to B through 3 ohm resistance. From B, it goes to D through 4 ohm resistance. So now you can see these 3 resistance are in series. So you get 2 in parallel with 8. Okay. So 2 in parallel with 8 is 1.6. In similar way, if I want to find the resistance across V to D, I have 4 ohm resistance. From B, it is going to C, right, through 3 ohm resistance. From C, it is going to A, right, to through 1 ohm resistance. From A, it is going to D through 2 ohm resistance. So 4 is in parallel with 6, right? So we'll get the answer as 2.4 ohm. Next, RAB, right? So for RAB, I'm going from A, that is 2O. Then I'm going to first. So in order to find the value of a resistance from RA to RB, you can see 2 from 2 it goes to 4, right? From A to T to B, I have 4 ohm resistance, and from B I'm going to C, then I'm going to A. So it goes from 3 to 1. So it is 6 in parallel with 4. So it is 24 divided by 10. That's equal to 2.4. So let us discuss the next problem. What should be the value of L such that the LAB is 8 hint? So let us start from A, and from A to C I have L, and from C to D I have one inductance, and from D to B I have another inductance. Okay, We can see I have covered the outer portion. Then so from C to B, I have one inductance, right? From A to B, I have another one more inductance. Uh, then I also have one inductance from A to D. Yeah. So therefore, I can read out the circuit starting from A. Okay, from you can see from A to uh, C, I have one inductance, right? Then I have inductance from A to D, right? Then from C to D, I have one more inductance. And then from C to B, I have another one more inductance. Then from P to D also, I have another one more. So totally I have 5, and from A to B also I have one more inductance. So you can see it is a balanced circuit. So I can remove this inductance between C to D, or otherwise I can convert delta to star. So if I convert delta to star, so what is the formula is since all are equal. Okay. So if I want to convert this amount to uh, delta star, it will be L by 3. Okay. So this is how my circuit will change. Okay, so give me L by 3, L by 3, and this is also L by 3, L by 3. L, L. Sorry. Since it is in series, this also in series. Once if I add this one, I will get 4L by 3. So the 4L by 3 is in parallel with 4L by 3. So you will get 2L by 3. So 2L by 3 is in series with L by 3. So you will get 3L by L, 3 by L by 3, it is L. So my total inductance is 2. Since L equivalent value is L equivalent value is 8, therefore the L value is 60.